Vietnam is not just a destination, it's a journey of emotions, contrasts, and unforgettable moments. With VietnamTour.in, every detail is thoughtfully curated, from private transfers to hand-picked 4-star services, ensuring a seamless, refined experience from start to finish. Over the next 10 days, you'll explore Vietnam in a way that feels effortless, immersive, and truly meaningful. Welcome to Hanoi, where tradition and modern life blend in perfect harmony. From the moment you arrive, everything is taken care of. A private transfer, a smooth check-in, and time to unwind after your journey. The city welcomes you gently, setting the tone for a journey that feels both comfortable and inspiring. Escape the city and journey to Ninh Binh, where ancient history and natural beauty come together. Explore Hoa Lu, the former royal capital, then glide through Trang An's peaceful waterways, passing through caves and limestone landscapes that feel untouched by time. As the day unfolds, continue towards Sapa, where the scenery shifts dramatically into misty mountains and breathtaking highland views. Arrive in Sapa and step into a world of calm, cool air, and stunning mountain landscapes. Visit Cat Cat Village, where local traditions, handcrafted culture, and simple daily life unfold naturally. A gentle trek through the valley brings you closer to nature, creating moments that feel authentic, peaceful, and deeply grounding. Begin your day with a spectacular cable car ride to Fansipan Peak, rising above clouds and mountains. At the summit, surrounded by endless views, every moment feels powerful and unforgettable. After this extraordinary experience, return comfortably to Hanoi, carrying a sense of awe and accomplishment. Travel in comfort by private car to Halong Bay, one of the world's most iconic landscapes. Step aboard a premium cruise and enjoy a carefully curated day, from exploring caves and islands to savoring a refined lunch on board. With smooth service and stunning scenery, every moment feels relaxing, elegant, and effortlessly enjoyable. Enjoy a relaxed morning before your seamless transfer to the airport. Your journey continues with a smooth flight to Da Nang, a vibrant coastal city where modern energy meets natural beauty. Discover a unique side of Vietnam at Cam Than Coconut Jungle, gliding through peaceful waterways in traditional basket boats. Continue to Hoi An ancient town, where every street tells a story. As night falls, release a flower lantern on the river, a quiet, meaningful moment filled with beauty, hope, and emotion. Journey to Bana Hills, where the experience begins high above the mountains. Glide through clouds on a breathtaking cable car, then step onto the iconic Golden Bridge, suspended in a surreal landscape. Explore the charming surroundings, visit Lin Ung Pagoda, and enjoy light entertainment at Fantasy Park, a day that feels elevated, elegant, and truly unforgettable. Explore the highlights of Da Nang, from the spiritual serenity of Monkey Mountain to the natural beauty of Marble Mountains. Discover hidden caves like Am Phu Cave, where light and shadow create a mysterious and fascinating atmosphere. It's a perfect blend of culture, nature, and discovery. Enjoy your final moments at leisure, soaking in the last impressions of Vietnam. With private transfer and seamless arrangements, your journey concludes just as it began. Smooth, comfortable, and thoughtfully curated. With VietnamTour.in, every journey is more than travel. It's a carefully crafted experience. From the smallest details to the most memorable moments, everything is designed for comfort, elegance, and ease. If you're ready to explore Vietnam in a way that feels truly effortless and unforgettable, contact VietnamTour.in today and let your journey begin.